this is Lay, and today I'm back with another unboxing video, but as you can probably tell from the title, it's not a handbag. But I'm very excited just the same to share with you my new curling iron from T3, so if you're interested, keep on watching. But before we get into the video, I did just want to say welcome if you're new to my channel. I do videos on handbags, styling, and beauty, so if you like those, definitely check out my other videos and consider subscribing. I will try to insert a subscribe button now. Otherwise, I'm just gonna have to scrap that whole part. But for now, let's get into the video. This got in the mail yesterday and I was actually very excited to see what's inside, but I think I'm very good because I waited until today so I can share with you my first impressions and thoughts on this product and also see how easy or hard it is to work with, especially for first timers, because guys, I'm not very good at curling my hair. So if you're the same, then definitely stay tuned. This is the Twirl 360 from T3. I did get this from their website. I ordered it about 5 days ago and within 24 hours, they shipped the item and now it's here. So I'm extremely happy about that because I'm really excited to see and try this product. And so without further ado, let's do that. Ooh, look at that. It's an extremely nice packaging and I'm actually surprised that it is this huge. So guys, this is her. Look at that. Isn't she beautiful? This is definitely an upgrade from my old curling one right here. I got this off of Marshall's about 3 years ago and I'm pretty sure I've used this less than 10 times. I'm that bad at curling my hair, I'm telling you guys, and I find this extremely hard to use. It's cheap, but it didn't make any difference for me. And so I never really invested in like a high quality curling iron that I might end up just not using, and I didn't want that because it's a total waste of money. But this one, I think it's supposed to be automatic, so this is supposed to be easier to use. We will find out later. And yes, I'm extremely happy about this. I like how well made it looks, and I just really love this rose gold detail. It just adds that, you know, extra girliness to the product. But I think my love for this product will be based mostly on how easy it is to use. And so let's find out. Let's do that right now. So guys, this is now turned on. This one is a power switch and this is also the temperature switch because this does come in 5 different temperature settings. But the default is 390 Fahrenheit. I did have to decrease the temperature down to 350 because I have very fine hair. And this is the button used for when you're twirling. And it's supposed to follow like the direction of your wrist. So let's try that. I am going for the outward motion right there. Let's try that now. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. And then let's try doing it the other direction. So yeah, I think that's really cool because then you can do like outward curls and then inward curls depending on what you like. So now let's try to do that. Now as you can see, my hair is divided into 3 different portions. I find that it's easier to style my hair that way. So I will go for the inside part first and then I will do the rest of my hair later. And so let's try this one and see. I will try to go for little portions of hair because I do want my curls to be more precise and really smooth, because I'm not going for like the wavy, you know, just the, ooh. Okay, I'm gonna have to do that again. Oh man, I hope I'm not messing this up. Ooh, there you go. And right there. And then now I'm going for the twirl. I'm just looking for the button. There you go. There. And it stops when you release the button. So I'm just gonna wait for about 5 seconds and see. So guys, I did have to increase the temperature to 390. I tried doing this part, but as you can see, it didn't work because I think my temperature was way too low. And so I went ahead and increased the temperature to 390 and let's see how this goes. So let's try that again. Get this little portion right here. I was probably like, that was, I think, like a big portion of hair, that's why. And so let's try doing that. And Baby steps, guys. I'm definitely struggling with this one, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. I did try to watch the tutorial from the T3 website, and I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but yeah, I will continue on doing this. So guys, as you can see, I'm almost done. I had to stop the video a while ago because I was taking forever. As you can see, I just have here a small portion to still curl, but yeah, I think I'm gonna do that right now. This one's, as you can see, I'm pretty happy about that. The inside part of my hair are just really wavy, but yeah, I'm fine with that, I guess. So now let's see how this goes. Ooh. There you go. As you can see, that's a lot better. This is exactly what I want. I'm finally done after 10 years of curling. Yeah, it wasn't easy. I did give you that caveat a while ago, right? But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this one. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. This is not exactly what I was going for because I really want the curls to be very much defined, but this did give my hair that boost and body that it needs because my hair is very flat. But yeah, so now let's go over the pros and cons of this product. Overall, I would give this product an 8/10. I still do love this product after the first use, even though some of the things about this is really confusing. Say for example, this twirl button right here, when you're curling your hair, sometimes you're not really looking, especially when you're doing it this way. And you see this part right here and this one, that actually confused me a while ago many times because I would press on that and it doesn't really do anything. And so yeah, that's one. And the other one is, now I can't think of any other one. So now let's just go to the pros, and because I have a lot to say. Probably my most favorite part about this product is the fact that it's ceramic, and because that is so, I didn't really get any burns on my hands or on my ears because it doesn't really heat up on the outside. And guys, I'm telling you, I've burned my hand and ears in the past countless of times, and this guy, even with all the confusion that was happening a while ago and I was obviously really struggling, that didn't happen. And there was this one time when I was curling my hair, I think it was this part, and then I had this way up here. I was surprised that when it touched my ear, it wasn't really that hot. It was warm, but it wasn't hot enough to burn your skin. And so yeah, that's probably my favorite part about this one. And also the fact that I like the grip on this product. It has a certain weight to it. It's not too heavy, it's not too light, but I think the weight is enough for you to know that this product is very, very well made. And yeah, I don't really feel tired like holding it. You're not really gonna experience that. I think it'll get easier to use once you get the hang of it, because you know the twirling thing can be confusing sometimes, especially for the first time. And worth mentioning also is the fact that it did not dry up my hair. As you can see, the curls are shiny, it looks bouncy. I did not really put on any products after curling my hair, and yeah, I think that looks pretty amazing. And yes, I will definitely recommend this product if you're looking into getting like a high quality curling iron. This is definitely something to consider. Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. If you're interested in this product, I have it linked at the description box down below, so make sure to check that out. And also, as usual, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do upload videos between 2 to 3 times a week, and so I'll see you next time.